Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the user safe and stable, then lock the brakes and remove cushions so you can see the frame. Once you have the tools, Allen keys 4mm to 8mm, an adjustable wrench, a pump and lubricant, begin a systematic visual inspection. Look closely for cracked welds, loose nuts, bent spokes, or warped rims. If anything is broken, note it and stop. You'll need replacement parts. Make sure to photograph problem areas to compare later, and to order exact parts if needed. Once you've identified the faulty drive components, remove the affected wheel and address the tire or tube first. Deflate, unseat the bead, replace or patch the tube matching the valve type, then reseat and inflate to manufacturer PSI. Next, check axle nuts and bearings for side-to-side play. Tighten to spec and relubricate bearings to prevent roughness. After that, adjust brakes and caster alignment so the wheels track straight. Make small alignment corrections and retest to ensure smooth rolling and no scraping. You finish by reassembling any removed parts, reinstalling cushions, and ensuring every nut and bolt is torqued to the manufacturer's tightness. Once done, perform a sequence of tests. Push the chair on a flat surface, turn it left and right, and gently roll it up a small incline while supporting the user. Make sure brakes engage fully and wheels track straight. If you still feel a wobble or uneven movement, check axle bushings and bearings. Worn bushings are the most common cause, and replacing them usually fixes persistent play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.